Hi, it's the 12th of December, and this is just a quick little video for you on one of our apple trees, and just to show you how it's still holding on to its leaves at this stage and this time of the year, basically mid-December, and it has still some of these tender, younger leaves, perfectly green. Some are going yellow, but you can see here, and how the leaf fall of different varieties of trees, apple trees and other trees, is really dependent on the variety. And it is actually, this particular tree is in a somewhat of an exposed location, and which is strange that it's holding on to its leaves so well, but it's a testament to this, to the variety that it is. It's an old variety of an apple tree, and we'll just show you it. I had wanted to transplant it, but I have to wait until it loses these leaves ideally, and probably I don't know what I'm looking at here, maybe later in December or January before I can transplant this particular tree. And that's it. Thanks for joining us. You take care of yourselves.